beach bums, here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Somebody said that was Cabo out there in the distance. I'll have to verify that, but we're still going all the way up to Puerto Vallarta. So let's see what's going on up here. Wow, look at that. I don't know what the camera is seeing, so kind of whoa, don't turn. Wow. I've been waiting to do this. I didn't get a chance to do it on the Carnival Vista because yeah. Yeah. Let gravity do its thing. So, ooh, a little bit of incline. A little bit of incline. Oh, now he's got the over there. But, whoo, love the water, baby. Fly with the beach life. Man, my legs are tired. I was at the club last night dancing for hours and hours. I'm gonna do this twice. They had an empty one. I was like, I'll go twice. It's not busy. Today's sea day. It's let's see, about 3:30, 3:26 to be exact on the ship. So yeah. All right. Coming in. Coming in.
There'll be more? There'll be more, and you stay here.
And here we go again. It's like deja vu. Look, kids, it's Cabo. Sorry, little vacation reference for you older folks. What you screaming for, girl? Here's the incline for me. Ah, yeah, feel the burn. Feel that burn. Feel that burn. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. That's the view. That's the money. All right. Here's gonna be my descent. Yeah. 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 Hey girl, hey! Also,